Oh. I don't care if I die. Come on, lightning again. Oh crap, I'm on my trigger. What? Same, bro. Okay, I got my... Man, I'm scared of being in the bathroom, like, when the power goes out, I'm scared of being in the bathroom. Don't ask what it is, because I don't even know. What? Yes. Cordless phones, no, landline still works. Like corded phones. Cordlesses don't work, but corded phones do. I think. Okay. Yeah. I have my phone recording set up in the window. I wish I could hear the audio. It's gonna sound like I'm talking to myself, but I'm really not. I'm just talking to you on Xbox. Because I got the thing right next to me, it's gonna sound like I'm talking to myself almost. So you're gonna get so annoyed if I put this on. So yeah, don't get annoyed if I'm just talking to myself. Talking to this boss of a guy named Dylan. Oh, that's the first time I never went to the spawn tonight. What? Yeah, no joke. If we come back and win this, I swear to God, I'll be so proud. This is ninja right here. Oh, let the lightning stop. Oh, never mind, no kidding. Oh, just making sure it's still going. Yeah. Red gun. Who? Who's that? Who? Yeah, Dylan, you tell him. We came back from that. Probably. Hold on one sec. Yeah, if you unplug your mic, you can hear them say, "You suck ass." If you unplug your mic, you can hear them all say that. Yeah, well, yeah, you can hear them talking. Unplug your mic for a sec. I think it might work for you. Oh, this video's gonna drag on so long. Okay, I'm gonna stop it now. Too much.